Good morning, friends. In previous lecture, we derived equation of heat transfer through radiation from two surfaces. Now, we are going to find uh, the equation of heat transfer uh, from one body to another body. Now, consider two body. Heat is transferred from through radiation from 1 to 2 and 2 to 1. The property for first surface is A1 T1 epsilon 1 and A2 T2 epsilon 2. If we draw electrical analogy for this system, it is like this. The potential difference is J1 minus J2, and heat is transferred Q12 and resistance is 1 upon A1 F12. Now we have this system in which fraction of energy leaving the surface 1 and reaching the surface 2, Q1, is equal to A1 F12 J1. We know J1 is radiosity into A1 F12. F12 is safe factor, and same way fraction of energy leaving the surface 2 and reaching the surface 1, Q2, is A2 F21 J2. So from this we can find net radiation energy exchange between these two bodies Q12 A1 F12 J1 minus A2 F21 J2. Now from reciprocal relation we already derived this A1 into F12 is equal to A2 into F21. Hence this equation put the value of this reciprocal in this equation. So we get F12 J1 minus F12 J2, and F1 we are taking A1 F12 is common, so we get A1 F12 J1 minus J2. So we have our equation is Q12 J1 minus J2 1 upon A1 F12, and this will become the resistance, and it is R12 here. Now if we have one wall where heat is transferred from or through radiation from one direction and is transferred to the other direction, then here we can say that heat received or a transfer through one surface, and heat is transferred in this body, and again heat is transferred from body to the outer space or a surface. So we have three resistance here, and one resistance it is of body. So we derived equation that resistance for that is 1 upon A1 F12, and we already discussed this for heat exchange between two gray surfaces. So its resistance for that is 1 upon epsilon 1 upon epsilon 1 A1. Same way for second, and this is the electrical analogy for this our previous equation and this combination of these equations. Now Q is equal to EB1 minus EB2 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. Also we can write heat exchange in form of Stefan-Boltzmann relation, Stefan-Boltzmann law. Sigma is equal to T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. and the put the equation of resistance, it is 1 upon epsilon 1 upon epsilon 1 A1 plus 1 upon A1 F12 plus 1 minus epsilon 2 upon epsilon 2 A2. And here R1 and R3 are the surface resistance and R2 is space resistance or a shape resistance. So we will use this equation. This is the final equation for heat transfer in a body through radiation. Thank you.